Welcome to Wealthfinity. In this channel, we are dedicated to helping you achieve financial freedom and stability. One of the most important aspects of homeownership is understanding your mortgage payments, which is why we're bringing you a comprehensive guide on how to accurately use a mortgage calculator. In this tutorial, you'll learn the key inputs to consider and how to use a mortgage calculator to estimate your monthly mortgage payment and understand the impact of interest rates and other factors on your financial situation. Get ready to take control of your home buying journey and achieve your wealth goals with Wealthfinity. To get the most out of a mortgage calculator. A mortgage calculator is a powerful tool for anyone looking to buy a home. By inputting various factors such as the loan amount, interest rate, and loan term, you can calculate your monthly mortgage payments and determine how much you can afford to borrow. In this video, we'll outline steps to help you get the most out of a mortgage calculator. Determine your budget. The first step in using a mortgage calculator is to determine your budget. This involves taking a look at your income and expenses and determining how much you can afford to spend on a monthly mortgage payment. Keep in mind that your mortgage payment should be no more than 28% to 36% of your gross monthly income. Input the loan amount. Once you have determined your budget, you can input the loan amount you are interested in borrowing into the mortgage calculator. This amount should be based on your budget and the price of the home you are interested in purchasing. Input the interest rate. The next step is to input the interest rate. This is the rate at which you will be charged for borrowing the loan amount. Interest rates can vary greatly depending on the lender, so it's important to compare rates from multiple lenders before making a decision. Input the loan term. The loan term is the length of time you will be paying off the loan. This can range from 15 years to 30 years, and it's important to choose a term that fits within your budget. A shorter loan term will result in a higher monthly payment, but you will pay less in interest over the life of the loan. Use the calculator to compare different scenarios. A mortgage calculator is a great tool for comparing different scenarios. For example, you can input different loan amounts and interest rates to see how they affect your monthly payment. You can also input different loan terms to see how they impact your monthly payment and the total amount you will pay over the life of the loan. Consider additional costs. It's important to keep in mind that your monthly mortgage payment is not the only cost you will incur when buying a home. Other costs such as property taxes, insurance, and closing costs should be factored into your budget. A mortgage calculator can help you estimate these costs, but it's important to speak with a lender or real estate professional for a more accurate estimate. Use the calculator to plan your budget. Finally, use the mortgage calculator to plan your budget. By inputting different scenarios, you can determine the maximum amount you can afford to borrow and the monthly payment you will need to make. This information can help you make an informed decision about the home you want to purchase and plan your budget accordingly. A mortgage calculator is a powerful tool for anyone looking to buy a home. By following these 7 steps, you can get the most out of the calculator and make an informed decision about your mortgage. Remember, it's important to speak with a lender or real estate professional for a more accurate estimate and to ensure that you are making a sound financial decision. Mortgage calculators are online tools that help you calculate your mortgage payments, estimate how much house you can afford, and compare different mortgage options. In this comprehensive guide, we will show you how to use mortgage calculators to make informed decisions about buying a house. Calculate your monthly mortgage payments. 1. The first step in using a mortgage calculator is to calculate your monthly mortgage payments. To do this, you will need to input the following information. Loan amount. The total amount you plan to borrow from the bank to purchase a home. Interest rate. The interest rate on your mortgage loan, which is expressed as a percentage. Loan term. The length of your mortgage loan, typically 15 or 30 years. Down payment. The amount of money you put down up front to purchase your home. Once you have entered all this information, the calculator will provide you with an estimated monthly payment. This amount includes the principal and interest on your mortgage, as well as any property taxes and insurance. Estimate how much house you can afford. Another important use of a mortgage calculator is to estimate how much house you can afford. To do this, you need to know your monthly budget for housing expenses. Enter your monthly income, debts, and other expenses into the calculator to see how much you can afford to spend on a monthly mortgage payment. The calculator will then give you an estimate of the maximum loan amount you can afford. Compare different mortgage options. Mortgage calculators can also help you compare different mortgage options. For example, You can compare the monthly payments and overall cost of a 15-year mortgage versus a 30-year mortgage. You can also compare the cost of a fixed-rate mortgage to an adjustable-rate mortgage. By comparing different options, you can determine which mortgage is best for your financial situation. Mortgage calculators are powerful tools for anyone considering buying a home. By using these calculators, you can calculate your monthly mortgage payments, estimate how much house you can afford, and compare different mortgage options. With this information, you can make informed decisions about buying a house and take control of your financial future. In conclusion, using a mortgage calculator is a valuable tool to help you understand the costs and repayments associated with your home loan. By inputting accurate information and using the various features, you can better estimate your monthly payments, determine the length of the loan, and understand the impact of different interest rates. By taking the time to learn how to use a mortgage calculator accurately, you can make informed decisions about your mortgage and ensure that you are getting the best possible deal for your financial situation.